Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Saman Rashid. Today, I will present about my research proposal, and the title is The Influence of Social Media Marketing Towards Purchasing Decision of Big Buster Burger Customer. In this presentation, we have three main outlines. The first is Chapter 1, Chapter 2, and Chapter 3. Chapter 1. Research Overview. Big Buster Burger was founded in 2019 by Mr. Afzal Aulia. This burger business is a family business that was originally established in a shop house near the BSD Modern Market. Before expanding into business, Big Buster Burger was originally only a home business conducted by way of pre-order and door-to-door delivery. The business was temporarily shut down due to COVID-19 pandemic, but in July 2020, Mr. Afzal Aulia and his family decided to reopen the business with a fresher concept and new innovation. Their new store is located in PHX Food Court Bintaro. They offer varied burger, for example, Smash Classic, Japanese Beef Buster, Big Classic Buster, and etc. Their product price is range from 30,000 rupiah until 35,000 rupiah for each burger. Research background. In this day, there are many people who are use social media not only to express themselves but also to trade. Based on Indonesian Internet Service Provider Association, they estimate that 63 million Indonesians were online, with 95% of their online activities being spent on social media. Indonesia is expected to surpass United States as a country with the most active and social media users. Based on the findings of the study that conducted by We Are Social and Hootsuite in 2020, the growth of social media in Indonesia currently offers a great opportunity for businesses who want to expand their market to use it as a marketing platform. One of the most intriguing trends is the trends that social media the most successful marketing platform, despite the fact that content marketing campaign would be prioritized by B2B businesses. We can see clearly that the social media is the most effective platform to promoting product. It can be seen beside. Next, according to the study by Blackwell, marketing managers should consider customer buying decision by understanding their purchasing process and the advantage of corporate goods and services in their expectation. When people want to buy something, they go through a series of steps that affect their purchasing decision and post-purchase behavior. Based on the observation by the researcher at Big Buster Burger, it can be seen that there is several problems that the researcher found in the social media marketing at Big Buster Burger. The enthusiastic are very high in their social media, but the view of their content is very low. Even though Big Buster Burger is already used several influencers, it is still not as expected. Also, the marketing managers have a problem for their posts when they upload it in Instagram. It makes the view of Big Buster Burger Instagram is very few, and it makes less interested for the customer. Also, it can be seen here, it is the sales of Big Buster they made on July until November 2020. It can be seen that they achieve a price that are very high for their sales. But Big Buster Burger have a target for 8 million rupiah for each month. That makes Big Buster Burger suffer a loss that it can be seen on the table beside here. They did not reach the target for each month, and the customer for Big Buster Burger are rarely dine in at Big Buster Burger. They want to increase more of their customer as well as their customer to eat more often in the restaurant at PHX Bintaro. So, Big Buster Burger must be able to improve their promotional strategy to increase and make customer aware of Big Buster Burger product. The promotion in social media have a significant impact in the marketing manager. They must have a proper plan and seeing how social media could influence a customer to buy the product for their purchasing decision. The researcher of this paper are interested to put the title of the research paper is The Influence of Social Media Marketing Towards Purchasing Decision of Big Buster Customer. So next is problem statement and research purposes. For the problem statement, the first one is how is Big Buster Burger conduct social media marketing? And the second, how is the purchasing decision of Big Buster Burger customer? The third is how social media marketing influence the purchasing decision of the customer at Big Buster Burger. For the research purposes, the first one is to find out how Big Buster Burger conduct their social media marketing. The second is to find out how is Big Buster Burger conduct their purchasing decision of Big Buster Burger customer. And the third one is to find out how social media influence the purchasing decision of the customer at Big Buster Burger. Next is chapter 2. Literature of research. Marketing. Marketing is the process by which businesses engages customers, form strong customer relationship, and provide customer value in order to obtain value from them in return. By Kotler and Armstrong. Social media. Social media is a wide word that encompasses software tools that create user and create a content that may be shared. By Kaplan and Hanlon 2010. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is no different from other commercial methods. There are a few key elements to developing an effective social media marketing strategy. Defining social goals, extending organizational effort, focusing on networks that offer value, providing engaging content, identifying commercial possibilities through social interaction, and also tracking and improving market efforts are some of the measures to take. Kumar, Choi, and Green, 2016. Purchasing decision. A purchasing decision is an evaluating stage in which consumer preference towards a brand are formed. Consumers are also established the purpose of buying the most favorite brand during this stage. By Setiazi, 2003. Purchasing decision process. According to Kotler, 2012, he divided the process into 5 stages. As follow: problem recognition, information search, evaluation of alternative, purchase decision, and post-purchase behavior. For the factor purchasing decision, Kotler discusses the elements that impact the purchasing decision as follow: cultural aspect, social aspect, individual factors, and psychological factors. So here are the previous research that I use as a reference to making this proposal. And here are the research framework and research hypothesis. For the research framework, it can be seen that the variable X is social media marketing and the variable Y is purchase decision. And for the research hypothesis, it can be seen that the H1, the context X1 variable has a positive impact towards purchasing decision Y variable, and H2, communication X2 variable has a positive impact towards purchasing decision in Y variable. H3, collaboration X3 variable has a positive impact towards purchasing decision Y variable. And the H4, connection X4 variable has a positive impact towards purchasing decision in Y variable. So here are the chapter 3. Type of research. The research used in this proposal is quantitative research method and descriptive method. So here are the operational variables that used in this research proposal. From here, it can be seen that the variable X, the social media marketing, it can be seen that the dimension and indicator first is the context, communication, collaboration, and connection. And for the variable Y, the purchasing decision, the dimension and the indicator is problem recognition, information search, evaluation of alternative, purchase decision, and the last is post-purchase behavior. And here are the stages of the research. The first is define the research, identify the problem that occur, determine the formulation of the problem, establish objective, establish research hypothesis and theory, define the concept of research variable or indicator use, determine data source, sampling techniques and data collection, perform data analysis, and the last is reporting, conclude and make suggestion for the research. The population and sample. Population. According to Sugiono, it can be seen that the population is generalization area made up of object or subject with a certain amount and qualities that the researcher have specified, should be investigated and conclusion derived. The target population in this research is customer from Big Buster Burger. Sample. Sugiono claimed that the sample is a subset of the population size and feature. To identify the study sample, it can be done by employs a non-probability sampling strategy combined with accidental sampling method. The object of Big Buster Burger customer must have characteristics below. The first is respondent are Big Buster Burger customer. Respondent own and use social media. The third is the purchase must be on-site on Big Buster Burger at PHX Bintaro. The formula used for this sample is using Slovin approach. So here is the formula. The next is data collection technique. The data collection technique is used by questionnaire, and the second is the questionnaire must include question and remarks regarding the respondent attribute as well as the correspondent perspective on the issue. So next is the type and source of the research data. The data we use is primary data and secondary data. The primary data can be gathered from Big Buster Burger customer, and the secondary data it can be gathered by looking from books, e-books, journal or e-journal from worldwide. So here is the data processing technique by using Likert diagram. So here is the Likert diagram. Next is validity and reliability test. Validity test. The Pearson moment product correlation was employed to assess the validity of the data. This analysis was carried out by comparing the scores of each item to the total score. The overall score is calculated by adding all of the things together. Question items that have a strong link with the overall score imply that they can help people divulge what they wish to share. The reliability test. Cronbach alpha is used to assess dependability in this dissertation research. The value of alpha less than 50% of the time, according to Sekaran and Bogi 2016, dependability value 0.60 is poor, 0.70 is okay, and 0.80 is excellent. So this is the data analysis technique. The data analysis techniques used in this research or proposal is descriptive analysis method and classical assumption test, and the last is simple regression analysis with t-test and f-test. That's all from me. Thank you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.